Gates open, they're up and racing. Poresol shows alertness at the start. Black Parade moving up by the rail. Love You by Heart, Lucky Lorque, Showmaster C, Tonet as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight, Love You by Heart in command, followed by Black Parade. Forest always racing in third, down in fourth, Lucky Lorque. Go Vinny running on the outside, Peep, then followed by Showmaster Citonet, and Strong Boy is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the last 800. Love You by Heart by about a length and a half, followed now by Black Parade in second, running on the outside, Forest All, Lucky Lorque, Go Vinny now moving up on the outside, catching the fourth spot, then followed by Strong Boy, Showmaster Citonet as they round at the last 600. Love You by Heart by about 3 lengths now. Forest All in second, racing in third now is Go Vinny, Lucky Lorque as they race at the last 450. Love You by Heart by about 4 lengths, running in second now is Go Vinny. Forest All is racing in third as they turn for home. Love You by Heart, Go Vinny now in second by the rail. We have Love You by Heart, Go Vinny down on the inside. It's still Love You by Heart, Go Vinny moving up by the rail and now grabbing the lead. Go Vinny now takes the lead over Love You by Heart, Lucky Lorque, and finally it's going to be Go Vinny, Love You by Heart, Lucky Lorque, Citonet, Strong Boy. Then comes number 7, Forest All, Showmaster, and Black Parade.